Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xc8024402c2s. So how we can check this error? So we just need to go to search tab and write in search tab troubleshoot. So in troubleshoot you choose here you click on this line troubleshoot and choose Windows Update. So just choose run the troubleshooter, and now you just need to wait some time after it will load our troubleshooter, and you just wait some time after it will check all files for corrupting files, some errors, and fix it. And you just need to restart your computer, and it will solve all errors and everything will works. So, and also another thing you can also check is to go to again to search and write in search services and just choose services app. Scroll down, and here you will find Windows Update. Just go down, Windows Update. Here you can see it, and you just right click on it and choose Restart. So after you do it, you will fix your error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.